Good evening, everyone. I am Manjula with you. Madurai Tirupati Airlines. It is said that many people have been requesting to provide flights from Madurai to Tirupati. Indigo has accepted the request and is launching the Madurai Tirupati flight for the first time. The flight will leave Madurai Airport at 3 pm and reach Tirupati at 4:20 pm. Similarly, the flight will leave Tirupati at 4:40 pm and reach Madurai at 6:40 pm. Navratri celebration in California. They set up 7 steps in the house of Raji Govindarajan, as a resident of Montega, California, USA, and celebrated Navratri. The festival was celebrated with security as a group. The 3-day event was attended by 75 people. The decorated house was adorned with goddess dolls in it. Many viewed the toys with interest. Mahishasura Mardini Vishnu Sahasranamam sang. Many who took part in the event listened with devotion. Veena recitation, vocal music, and Jugalbandi were also held with devotion. Everyone was offered home cooked food. Pledge gifts were also given to those who attended the Navratri festival. We are also happy to share that the festival celebrated in India is traditionally celebrated in California, USA. Japan astronaut travels for the 5th time. Japanese astronaut Koichi Wakada is set to travel to space for the 5th time next year on the SpaceX spacecraft. The 5th space flight of the US SpaceX private company Dragon is to go to the International Space Station next year. Japanese astronaut Koichi Wakada has been selected by SpaceX for the mission. This is his 5th space trip. Prior to this, he visited the United States spacecraft 3 times in 1996, 2000 and 2009, and returned to the International Space Station aboard the Russian spacecraft in 2013. In the year 2022, SpaceX will travel for the 5th time in the private company's Dragon spacecraft. Indian economy to grow 9.5%. International Monetary Fund forecast. The Indian economy contracted by 7.3% last year. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) has forecast 9.5% growth in the current financial year and 8.5% in the next. China, an economic powerhouse, is projected to grow at 8% in the current fiscal year and 5.6% in the next. The global economy is expected to grow by 5.9% in the current fiscal year and 4.9% in the next fiscal year. No one can defeat us. We are the only ones. Kim Jong-un's motto. North Korean President Kim Jong-un's talk of creating a powerful army to confront the United States has caused a stir. As the conflict between North Korea and the United States has escalated over the past few years, North Korea's frequent missile and nuclear weapons tests have caused panic among the nations of the world. North Korea held a huge military exhibition with its weapons. Speaking at the event, President Kim Jong-un said, North Korea's military will be transformed into an invincible force to deal with US hostility and pressure. Pakistan faltering in debt. The World Bank has released a list of countries. The World Bank has released a list of 10 countries that have borrowed the most from foreign banks. In it, the World Bank said it was eligible for the practice of suspending the loan, with Pakistan being featured. Loans to poor and middle-income countries are being cancelled for a limited period of time due to the corona. Pakistan is currently eligible for this temporary debt waiver. Humanitarian Award for Tamil Nadu woman in Singapore. Nashad Bahima, a Tamil Nadu woman living in Singapore, was presented with the Annual Humanitarian Service Award in Singapore on the basis of religious harmony. It has been reported that the award was given to create awareness among the people about religion and racism, and that Nashat hails from Ramanathapuram in Tamil Nadu. Have a good day. See you again. Thank you.